Today we're gonna sort out a few stuff in the house. Also, we still need to do like a little general cleaning. I am going grocery shopping for a few stuff that I need because we love food and we do not have food. Also need to squeeze in a bit of exercise. Also, super excited about that. That's just my mirror. My friend Olivia helped me bring that home yesterday. Thank you so much, Olivia. She's the best. We're gonna open that up, try to find a suitable position for the mirror in my room. Really just need a mirror, so I had to just invest. I didn't get a really expensive one anyway. This one's just from Target. Plan is either to put the mirror somewhere in there, somewhere in that side, but I'm not sure if the lighting's good because it's a bit hidden, or in here, so I'll get like a good reflection because the sun's from in here. Also, I really need to get an organizer for all those, like a wire box to hide everything because I just hate seeing wire all over. Yeah, let's start unboxing this one. I'm so excited.
We fell in love in the winter. I miss you most in the fall. 3 years, 11 months together after one night in Montreal.
Too pretty. So excited. Just clean this. First position looks fine to me. Not the best lighting, but definitely also not the worst. And then maybe I'll give it a try in here. Looks like that. This one makes my room look huge. Like, this one looks cuter. Yeah, I'll probably put it in here. Okay, let's do that. We're back. It's in there. So cute. Mirror all sorted out. I'm so excited. I really love the mirror. As you can tell, haven't done my bed yet. There's my teddy. And this one from there, I transferred it in here. I have something I'm planning on putting in there, but we'll see. First things first, let me fix my bed and then get changed. Hey guys, we are out. Didn't bring the huge camera because it's too heavy and I'm planning to get groceries, so I didn't want to struggle. But it's a good morning. Lovely weather, lovely neighborhood. Excited for the day. Let's do this one. I think it's a 30-40 minute walk. Oh shucks, I forgot to bring hair tie, but that's okay. At Floreat WA. So our masks now. stuff that I bought, I place it in the fridge at the back of the house. Right now, it's really hot. I'm gonna go take a shower. And then after that, I'm gonna have food because I'm also starving, but shower first before anything else. I found this one. If you watched my previous vlogs, I also tried another one of this, and I think it was corn flavor, but this one, it's still turtle chips, but in flaming mala flavor. I do not know what that is, but I love spicy food. It smells so good. This is not the best way to start my day, but really good. Last one. Just have yogurt and a banana.
Start your computations.
Hello guys, I'm back. So quickly, I'm just gonna talk to you guys about the sponsor for today's video, Amber. Amber is an online platform that allows students to book accommodations close to their universities. As Southeast Asia's largest student accommodation provider, Amber is currently operational in more than 100 cities in Australia, Europe, and the United States, with more than 20,000 listings on their platform. Students will have a seamless booking experience with Amber Student. You can choose from a wide range of options according to your preference, whether you have a low budget or a slightly higher budget. Flexibility in size or occupancies are also available. There's always something for you at Amber. Students will appreciate Amber's round-the-clock personalized assistance every step of the way. They also have lots of exclusive freebies and offers from their student benefit program partners. Amber executives will make sure that they take good care of you. They will do all the hassle related to paperwork, including lease agreements. And since it's COVID and not everyone can do inspection in person, they also offer their home away from home program, where there will be a live viewing and their property experts will be there to assist you with the online inspection. If you're a student looking for an accommodation in cities across Australia, Europe, and the United States, definitely check out Amber. I will leave my affiliate link below so you can check their website out. If you do check out Amber, let me know in the comments how you did and how it helped you. And yeah, thank you so much again, Amber, for sponsoring today's video.
We're going to the beach.
It's a few days later. I put on some activewear jacket because it's a little bit cold today. I am gonna go do my exercise, just a walk, get some groceries. Made it a point to wake up early today because I've noticed that people have been panic buying. So shelves in the grocery are usually empty. Right now it's 7:20. I have to go leave soon. It's opening at 8 a.m. So I'm gonna cook kimchi stew today. I'm just gonna grab stuff for that one.
So sweet.
I'm home. peppers. Get some water.
Give me some time, yeah, give me some time. I know we still love each other, but sometimes I start to wonder. Back of my mind, yeah, back of my mind. Everything's fine, yeah, everything's fine. I mean, it sounds like a lie, no, it doesn't feel right. Slowly feel we leave in paradise, and I hope it isn't real. No, yeah.
Okay, time to meal prep. We do have food, free food in our workplace, but because of increasing cases here in WA, they've been giving us packed food, and sometimes it's not the healthiest. So now I'm doing meal prepping again. Today I was gonna make kimchi jjigae or kimchi stew, but we did not find any kimchi in the grocery, so I'm just gonna do budae jjigae, which I've already made before, and it's really yum. So that's what we're gonna do.
It's just begun, and the sun